Hey guys, today I'm going to make these easy baked fish balls. They're a meal prep idea for my husband. I'm going to be using my food processor and I'm going to add about 12 tilapia fillets into this. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more if you want. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 egg whites, and a 1/4 cup of oat flour. Now we're going to give this a blend or mix. And you want a fairly smooth consistency, like this. Now we're going to spray our pan with some coconut oil. And I'm going to portion it by using this tablespoon. And you're going to space them out so they have room to expand. And you can roll them up like this if you want, or you could just leave them as you scoop them out. Now we're going to bake this at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. And like I said, this was a meal prep idea for my husband, so I'm going to measure out his ounces. And there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.